U.S. service sector activity rebounded in January. Industries reported increases in new orders for the first time in a few months, and this was the highest level since August. This suggests the economy could continue to grow moderately the rest of this year. The ISM reported its non-manufacturing activity index increased to a reading of 55.5 last month, back in expansion territory. Data for December was revised slightly down to show the index at a reading of 54.9 instead of the previously reported 55. The service sector accounts for more than two-thirds of U.S. economic activity. This strong report came after a survey from the ISM on Monday showing manufacturing rebounded in January after contracting for 5 straight months. Manufacturing, which accounts for 11% of the economy, reflected easing tensions from the U.S.-China trade war. Any recovery in manufacturing, however, may be limited from the effects of the coronavirus, which has killed hundreds in China and has infected thousands globally. This is expected to disrupt supply chains, especially for electronics producers.